Automatic electric noodle making machine, pasta maker, dumpling skin, noodle cutter, dough roller, noodle cutting machine. Transform your kitchen or food business with the automatic electric noodle making machine. A versatile all-in-one solution designed to simplify the process of making fresh noodles, dumpling wrappers, pasta sheets, and dough. Whether you're a home cook who enjoys preparing authentic homemade meals or a commercial kitchen looking for reliable food preparation equipment, this machine delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Built with durability, efficiency, and ease of use in mind, it eliminates the hard work of kneading, rolling, and cutting dough by hand while producing perfectly uniform noodles and wrappers every time. Freshly made noodles have a superior taste and texture compared to store-bought alternatives. With this electric pasta and noodle maker, you can prepare a variety of traditional and modern recipes using your preferred ingredients. From Chinese noodles and Japanese ramen to Italian pasta, dumpling skins, wonton wrappers, ravioli sheets, and more. This multifunctional machine gives you complete control over your cooking. Constructed with premium food-grade stainless steel, the machine is designed to withstand daily use while maintaining excellent hygiene standards. The smooth stainless steel surface resists corrosion, rust, and staining, making it suitable for both household kitchens and commercial food establishments. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance while the compact design saves valuable countertop space. The powerful electric motor provides stable performance, allowing the machine to roll and cut dough quickly and efficiently. Unlike manual noodle makers that require significant physical effort, this automatic machine reduces preparation time and improves productivity. It can process dough continuously, making it ideal for restaurants, noodle shops, catering businesses, hotels, cafeterias, and food production facilities. One of the standout features of this machine is its adjustable dough thickness control. Easily customize the thickness of your dough sheets depending on your recipe. Thin sheets are perfect for dumpling wrappers, wontons, and ravioli, while thicker sheets work well for pasta, lasagna, and flat noodles. The precision adjustment system ensures consistent thickness across every batch, resulting in evenly cooked noodles and professional quality food presentation. The integrated noodle cutting system allows users to produce noodles in different widths. Whether you prefer thin angel hairstyle noodles, medium spaghetti, traditional Chinese noodles, or wider flat noodles, this machine provides flexibility to match various cuisines and personal preferences. Uniform cutting ensures every strand cooks evenly, improving both texture and appearance. Making dumpling wrappers has never been easier. Simply prepare your dough, feed it through the roller, and create smooth, even sheets ready for cutting into dumpling or wonton skins. Consistent thickness helps ensure proper sealing and even cooking, reducing the risk of tearing during preparation. Designed for user convenience, the machine features a simple operating system that allows beginners and professionals alike to achieve excellent results. The straightforward controls make it easy to operate without requiring advanced technical knowledge. Simply prepare your dough, feed it into the machine, adjust the thickness, and let the machine do the rest. Safety is also an important aspect of the design. The stable base minimizes movement during operation, while carefully engineered feeding rollers provide smooth dough processing. Proper safety features help reduce accidental contact with moving components while ensuring reliable performance throughout extended use. Cleaning and maintenance are simple thanks to the stainless steel construction and accessible design. Most flour residue can be removed with a dry brush or soft cloth after use. Keeping the machine clean helps maintain food safety and extends its service life. Regular maintenance ensures consistent operation and reliable results over many years. The machine is suitable for preparing numerous food varieties, including fresh pasta, spaghetti, fettuccine, linguine, ramen noodles, udon noodles, Chinese noodles, flat noodles, dumpling wrappers, wonton skins, ravioli sheets, lasagna sheets, pastry dough, homemade dough sheets, egg noodles, vegetable noodles. Because you control every ingredient, you can create healthier meals for your family. Add spinach, beetroot, carrot, pumpkin, tomato, herbs, or whole wheat flour to create colorful, nutritious homemade noodles without preservatives or artificial additives. You can also prepare gluten-free recipes using specialty flour blends depending on your dietary requirements. This noodle-making machine is ideal for busy restaurants where speed and consistency are essential. High-volume production allows kitchen staff to prepare fresh noodles throughout the day without sacrificing quality. The automatic operation reduces labor costs while maintaining uniform product size and texture. Home users will appreciate how enjoyable it becomes to create authentic homemade pasta and dumplings. Family meals become more special when everyone can enjoy freshly prepared noodles with customized flavors and ingredients. It's also an excellent choice for cooking enthusiasts who enjoy experimenting with international cuisines. Its modern design complements any kitchen environment while offering professional-grade functionality. The reliable motor, precision rollers, and durable cutting blades work together to produce smooth dough sheets and perfectly cut noodles every time. Whether you're preparing homemade Italian pasta for dinner, authentic Chinese hand-pulled style noodles, Japanese ramen, Korean noodles, or delicious dumplings for family gatherings, this machine provides the versatility to handle multiple recipes with ease. It supports both everyday cooking and commercial food preparation, making it a valuable investment for anyone who appreciates fresh, high-quality homemade food. The machine also contributes to greater efficiency in food preparation. Instead of spending considerable time rolling dough manually, users can complete the process in a fraction of the time while achieving more consistent results. This improved efficiency allows restaurants to serve customers faster and enables home cooks to prepare elaborate meals without unnecessary effort. Its heavy-duty components are engineered for dependable operation under frequent use. The precision rollers maintain consistent pressure across the dough, while the cutting blades deliver clean, even cuts without sticking or tearing. This combination ensures professional quality results batch after batch. Whether you're opening a noodle shop, upgrading your restaurant equipment, operating a bakery, running a catering business, or simply upgrading your home kitchen, this automatic electric noodle making machine offers outstanding performance, versatility, and convenience. It combines dough rolling, noodle cutting, pasta making, and dumpling wrapper production into one efficient appliance, making it an essential tool for anyone passionate about fresh homemade food. Experience the satisfaction of creating restaurant-quality noodles and pasta from scratch while enjoying complete control over ingredients, texture, and thickness. With its durable construction, powerful motor, adjustable settings, and multifunctional capabilities, this electric noodle maker is the perfect addition to any kitchen seeking faster preparation, superior consistency, and exceptional culinary results. Bring authentic Italian pasta making traditions into your home with the 2026 Lorighittas Pasta Making Machine, a versatile and efficient appliance designed for pasta lovers who appreciate fresh, homemade meals. Whether you're preparing traditional Lorighittas, rustic Sagne e Fagioli, classic spaghetti, macaroni, or experimenting with your own pasta creations, this automatic pasta maker makes the entire process simple, fast, and enjoyable. Combining modern technology with traditional craftsmanship, it helps you create restaurant-quality pasta with minimal effort while preserving the authentic texture and flavor that only fresh pasta can deliver. Perfect for home cooks, busy families, culinary enthusiasts, and anyone who enjoys homemade Italian cuisine. This machine transforms flour and water into perfectly shaped pasta within minutes. Say goodbye to store-bought dried pasta and experience the freshness, taste, and satisfaction of preparing pasta from scratch whenever you want. Create authentic homemade pasta with ease. Making fresh pasta by hand can be rewarding, but it often requires significant time, effort, and experience. The 2026 Lorighittas Pasta Making Machine automates the most difficult parts of the process, allowing beginners and experienced cooks alike to achieve consistent, professional quality results every time. Simply add your ingredients, prepare the dough according to your favorite recipe, and let the machine handle the rolling, pressing, and shaping. In just a short time, you'll have beautifully formed pasta ready for boiling, drying, or freezing. Whether you're preparing dinner for the family or entertaining guests, homemade pasta becomes a convenient everyday option. Multiple pasta styles in one machine. One of the greatest advantages of this pasta maker is its versatility. Instead of purchasing separate tools for different pasta varieties, this all-in-one machine supports multiple traditional and modern pasta shapes. It is suitable for producing Lorighittas Sagne e Fagioli pasta, spaghetti, macaroni, noodles, flat pasta sheets, homemade pasta strips, specialty regional pasta, custom pasta recipes. This flexibility allows you to explore Italian, regional cuisine while experimenting with new dishes from around the world. Automatic operation saves time. Traditional pasta making involves kneading, rolling, cutting, and shaping by hand. This machine significantly reduces preparation time by automating the shaping process. The automatic extrusion mechanism produces evenly formed pasta with consistent thickness, ensuring excellent cooking performance and attractive presentation. Benefits include faster preparation, less manual labor, consistent pasta thickness, uniform shapes, reduced food waste, improved efficiency, whether you're making lunch for two or preparing larger family meals. The machine helps streamline your cooking routine. Designed for home kitchens, unlike bulky commercial pasta equipment. The 2026 Lorighittas Pasta Making Machine is specifically designed for residential kitchens. Its compact footprint fits comfortably on most countertops while providing the power needed for regular homemade pasta production. The practical design makes it suitable for apartments, family kitchens, vacation homes, small cooking studios, home baking stations, culinary hobbyists. Its attractive appearance complements modern kitchen decor while remaining easy to store when not in use. Consistent professional results. Fresh pasta should have a smooth texture, uniform thickness, and beautiful shape. This machine is engineered to produce reliable results every time. The precision extrusion system creates pasta that cooks evenly while maintaining the perfect balance between firmness and tenderness. Benefits include uniform cooking, improved texture, better sauce absorption, professional presentation, authentic homemade appearance, whether you're preparing creamy Alfredo, rich bolognese, pesto, seafood sauces, or rustic bean soups. Freshly made pasta enhances every meal. Durable construction, built using high-quality materials. This pasta maker is designed for long-lasting performance and dependable operation. The sturdy construction provides excellent stability during use while resisting wear from frequent cooking sessions. Quality materials help ensure long service life, reliable performance, stable operation, easy maintenance, food-safe preparation, smooth pasta extrusion. Its durable engineering makes it an excellent investment for anyone who regularly enjoys homemade pasta. User-friendly controls. The intuitive design makes operation simple, even for first-time users. Easy-to-understand controls allow you to prepare fresh pasta without complicated settings or lengthy learning curves. Simply, 1. Prepare your dough. 2. Feed the dough into the machine. 3. Select the desired pasta style. 4. Allow the machine to shape the pasta automatically. 5. Cook immediately or dry for later use. This straightforward workflow makes homemade pasta accessible to everyone.